buttery fry goats or paratha. आज का मेरा नाश्ता या खाना ये बटरी फ्राई गोट है और जनाब पराठा ज़बरदस्त पता है।
and improve revenues for member countries, which of course includes Russia. Well, let's talk this through with Selena Sinha-Harbert, who's Global Head of Private Capital at Raymond James. Nice to see you. So the price of oil going up and up today. What's your expectation when it comes to production cuts?
Political politics are inextricably linked, and all depends on how the lobbying by the Chinese administration, in particular of Saudi Arabia, has gone over the last few weeks. If they can manage